Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, April 18, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, April 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 18, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, April 18, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 13 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 20.5 million pesos for Thursday, April 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, April 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.